Hello and welcome to Psych Inside. Ever walked into a room and felt an instant spark? That sudden rush of excitement, the feeling that something special is about to happen, that magnetic pull towards someone. It's as if the universe is nudging you towards them, creating a moment of connection that feels almost magical. That's attraction, and it's more than just looks. It's a blend of chemistry, shared energy, and mutual interest. It's the way someone carries themselves, the confidence in their smile and the warmth in their eyes. It's a complex dance of psychology, subtle cues, and unspoken signals. Every glance, every gesture, every smile plays a part in this intricate ballet of human connection. We're diving deep into the psychology of flirting, giving you the tools to navigate the dating world with confidence. Understanding these cues can transform your interactions, making you more attuned to the signals others are sending. Get ready to unlock your inner charmer. Confidence is key, and it starts with knowing yourself and what you bring to the table. When you feel good about yourself, it shows, and others can't help but be drawn to your positive energy. We'll uncover the secrets behind those butterflies and help you master the art of flirtation. Those nervous jitters are a sign that something exciting is happening, and learning to embrace them can make all the difference. Think of this as your crash course in the science of attraction. We'll explore the theories and research that explain why we feel drawn to certain people and how you can use this knowledge to your advantage. By the end, you'll be equipped to make a lasting impression and maybe even find that special someone. Let's get started. Whether you're looking for love or just want to improve your social skills, this journey into the heart of human connection will be both enlightening and empowering. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of attraction and flirtation. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to making meaningful connections and creating unforgettable moments. Psychology plays a huge role in attraction. We're naturally drawn to those who make us feel good. It's about creating a positive emotional connection. One powerful technique is mirroring. Subtly mimic their body language, tone, and even their energy levels. This creates subconscious rapport, making them feel more comfortable and connected to you. Remember, flirting is about building a connection. Show genuine interest, ask questions, and really listen to their responses. Make them feel heard and understood. Mirroring is a powerful tool in your flirting arsenal. It's a subtle yet effective way to build rapport and create a sense of connection with someone. It's all about subtly reflecting the other person's behavior. This means paying close attention to their movements, gestures, and even their tone of voice. If they lean in while talking, you lean in too. This small action can make the other person feel like you're genuinely interested in what they have to say. If they take a sip of their drink, you do the same. This mirroring can extend to other small actions, like crossing your legs or nodding your head. It creates an instant sense of harmony, making them feel like you're on the same wavelength. This can be particularly effective in social settings where building a quick connection is important. But remember, subtlety is key. The goal is to make the other person feel comfortable, not to make them aware that you're copying their every move. Overdoing it can come across as creepy. If the other person notices that you're mimicking them too closely, it can have the opposite effect and make them feel uneasy. The goal is to create a subconscious connection, not to mimic their every move. When done correctly, mirroring can be a powerful way to build rapport and make the other person feel understood and valued. So next time you're in a conversation, try to subtly mirror the other person's behavior and see how it enhances your connection. Your body language can make or break your flirting game. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. These simple cues convey confidence and openness. Avoid crossing your arms, fidgeting, or looking away. These can signal disinterest or nervousness. Remember, you want to appear approachable and engaged. Pay attention to their body language too. Are they leaning in, smiling back? These are all good signs. If they seem closed off or distant, it might be time to adjust your approach. Never underestimate the power of a genuine smile. It's a universal language that transcends barriers and speaks directly to the heart. It lights up your face, conveys warmth, and can change the entire atmosphere of a room. A smile is contagious and can spread positivity like wildfire. Smiling makes you instantly more attractive. It releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, making you feel happier and more relaxed. This natural high not only benefits you, but also those around you. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to make a positive first impression. When you meet someone for the first time, a smile can break the ice and set the tone for a friendly interaction. When you smile at someone, it triggers a similar response in their brain. This is due to mirror neurons, which cause them to mimic your expression. This mirroring effect creates a sense of empathy and understanding, making the other person feel more connected to you. It creates a sense of connection and fosters a feeling of camaraderie. Smiling can bridge gaps and bring people closer together, even in challenging situations. When you smile, it makes others more likely to smile back. This mutual exchange of smiles can lead to a more positive and cooperative environment. It's a win-win. So the next time you find yourself in a new or uncomfortable situation, remember the power of your smile. It's your secret weapon to create connections, spread joy, and make the world a little brighter. Use it generously and watch how it transforms your interactions and relationships. A smile costs nothing but gives so much in return. It's a small gesture with a big impact. Embrace the power of your smile and let it be your guide in building meaningful connections and spreading happiness wherever you go. Confidence is key. Own your worth. Confidence is incredibly attractive. When you believe in yourself, it shows. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with conviction. Don't be afraid to be yourself and let your personality shine. Authenticity is key to forming genuine connections. Remember, you have a lot to offer. Focus on your strengths and let your positive qualities shine. Confidence is contagious and will draw people to you. Want to make someone feel truly special? Listen to them, not just with your ears, but with your body language and your eyes. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and really focus on what they're saying. Ask follow-up questions and show genuine interest in their thoughts and experiences. Active listening shows that you value their words and their company. It's a powerful way to build rapport and create a meaningful connection. Common interests are the building blocks of relationships. Find something you both enjoy and spark a conversation around it. Whether it's a shared love for music, books, or a particular hobby, common ground creates an instant bond and gives you something to talk about. Ask open-ended questions to encourage them to share their passions. Be enthusiastic and show genuine interest in what they have to say. Humor is the universal language of attraction. Laughter is a powerful aphrodisiac. A well-timed joke or a witty observation can break the ice and create a sense of playfulness. Don't be afraid to be silly and show off your sense of humor. It makes you more approachable and memorable. But remember, humor is subjective. What one person finds funny, another might not. Pay attention to their reactions and adjust your approach accordingly. Ending the conversation on a high note is just as crucial as starting it strong. Leave them wanting more. Excuse yourself before the conversation runs dry, but do it gracefully. Express that you've enjoyed their company and would love to connect again. This leaves a lasting positive impression and creates anticipation for the next encounter. It's about leaving them with a sense of excitement and intrigue. Ready to master the game of flirtation? Flirting is an art, not a science. It's about confidence, connection, and having fun. Use these psychology-backed tips to up your flirting game and create meaningful connections. Remember, the most important ingredient is authenticity. Be yourself, relax, and enjoy the process. You got this. Want to dive deeper into the world of relationships and attraction? Subscribe to our channel and watch our other videos for more expert advice and insights.